Apple Numbers files do not work in Microsoft Excel. The formatting breaks or it won't open at all. You need to convert it first. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here's the free official way to turn that numbers sheet into an Excel sheet. For those complex numbers formats, there's always a plan B. A specialized file handling utility that feels like magic. I'll introduce it again later after we attempt the common methods. A numbers file is a spreadsheet created by Apple Numbers, part of the iWork suite. It stores data in cells organized into rows and columns, similar to Microsoft Excel. Numbers files can contain charts, formulas, and other elements for data analysis and presentation. They are also integrated with iCloud for seamless access and collaboration across Apple devices. Numbers files use a proprietary format that is optimized for the Apple ecosystem. While numbers can export to other formats like XLSX, Excel, and CSV, the native numbers format allows for richer formatting and features specific to the application. iCloud integration enables real-time collaboration and automatic syncing across devices linked to the same Apple ID. The proper file association links numbers directly to the Numbers solution by Apple Inc. For complete access to all file resources, a dedicated program is needed. Windows may detect the file, but interacting with data or formulas requires Office tools. We're performing an initial check of the application compatibility. Right-click your numbers file and choose Open With. Test numbers first. If it's not there, select another program. This process often yields a surprisingly simple fix. When your numbers file does not open, it is usually a small issue. I'm going to explain the most common technical reasons behind the file failure before we use the one-click solution. First, update numbers in OS. Ensure both the Apple Numbers application and the operating system, macOS or iOS, iPadOS, are updated to the latest versions. Next, use iCloud on PC. On a Windows machine, log into iCloud.com, open the Numbers app there, and upload the file for viewing or conversion. Finally, reinstall our Offload app. If the app won't launch on your Apple device, offload, which saves documents, or fully delete and reinstall the Numbers application. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.